Who is that? You know. Who is that? Where's Addie? Addie. Who's this? Nana. And who's that? Papa. And who's this? Uncle. And who's this? Auntie. Yes. Who's this? Who's that? Who's that? Spencer. Baby. Who's that? Who's that? And who's this? Addie. Well, wait. Okay, well, let's look at these pictures. Let's see. Who's this? No, you didn't look. Sherry. Who is that? Who's this? Sherry. Right. And which one's your favorite picture? What's that? Horse. There's your favorite. What's that one? Who's that? Uncle Skylar. Who's Uncle Skylar holding? Who's that? Addie. That's right. Can you tell everybody bye-bye? Can you tell them bye-bye? Spencer.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Wave. Say bye-bye. Can you tell them you want to see Santa?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.